In this data analytics Excel series, we are going to see about how the text is being converted to columns. In this example, we have one column called name. Under this name column, we have three different values. This three different values has to be converted into three different columns. This is in comma separated values. For example, we have laptop, 45,000 and HP. So laptop as a category, 45,000 as a price and HP as a brand. So we need to convert these three values in one column to three different columns. For this, we have to select this column. Just go on to the column name A, click column A, then click to data. Under data, click on text to columns. So here it shows that delimited. We have to actually see which delimited we are using to convert to three different columns. So click on next. So here we have to choose, since we have all these three values are separated by comma, we can just tick comma. Then the preview is there, the data preview. We could see that laptop, price and brand, all these three columns has been segregated. So click on next. So this is a format in general, so we can just finish this, click finish. So now we could see that all these three values are converted into three different columns. So we can give the name as price for this column, and here we can just give as a brand. So the same, we have the other example, as we have a name where the first and last name is combined together. The second column is age. So in this example, we need to segregate into first name and the last name. But if we need to convert this first name and last name, we have another column in between. So if I try to do this, just click on A, click on text to columns. So click on delimited, next. Here it is, there is no comma separated, it is just space. So I just click on space, then click next, then finish. So what it says is there is already the data here. So if we need to replace it, then the age column will get vanished. So what we could do is, before formatting this, click on this column and right click, click insert. So we already know that we will get two columns. So I have already inserted one column. So now just click on this column A, click on text to columns, click on next. This already have selected space, so click on next, click finish. So now the full name has been segregated into first and the last name. I can just rename this column as first name and last name. So that's all about text to columns in Excel.